welcome back to the desk. So today we are going to know some fascinating facts about India. First fact, world's largest democracy. India is the world's largest democracy by population. Over 1.4 billion citizens participate in elections and civic life. Second fact, diverse languages. India recognizes 22 official languages and hundreds of regional languages. Hindi and English are widely used for official business. Ancient civilization. Home to the Indus Valley Civilization, one of the world's earliest urban cultures. Bollywood hub. India's film industry. Bollywood is the largest in the world by film output and produces vibrant musical cinema. Fifth fact, space achievements. India's space agency ISRO launched Chandrayaan and Mangalyaan missions, notable for high value for money and engineering prowess. Sixth fact, cradle of yoga. Yoga originated in ancient India. Today it's practiced globally for physical, mental and spiritual well-being. Seventh fact, IT and startup powerhouse. Cities like Bengaluru and Hyderabad power India's booming tech sector and startup ecosystem. Eighth fact, cultural festivals. India celebrates thousands of festivals. Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas and Pongal are observed with unique regional traditions. Ninth fact, historic monuments. From the Taj Mahal to forts and temples, India's architecture spans millennia and diverse styles. 10th fact, textile traditions. India's handloom, silk and regional textile crafts like Banarasi, Kanchipuram and Ikat are world renowned. 11th fact, culinary diversity. India's cuisine varies. Regionally rich curries, biryanis, dosas, street foods, and an enormous vegetarian tradition. 12th fact, wildlife and biodiversity. India hosts tiger, elephants, rhinos, and rich biodiversity across national parks and wildlife sanctuaries. 13th fact, railway network. Indian Railways is one of the world's largest rail networks and one of the biggest employers globally. 14th fact, innovation in medicine. India is a global pharmaceutical supplier and a hub for affordable generic medicines and vaccines. 15th fact, mathematical heritage. India contributed key mathematical concepts including the concept of zero and early development of algebra and trigonometry. 16th fact, demographic youth. India has a large young population providing demographic advantage for innovation and economic growth. 17th fact, tea and spices. India is among the world's largest producers of tea and spices. Tea culture and spices are central to Indian identity. 18th fact, sacred rivers. The Ganga, Yamuna and other rivers are culturally and spiritually significant across India's religious traditions. 19th fact, architectural wonder stepwells. Historic stepwells like Rani Ki Vav, Gujarat are unique subterranean water architecture feats. 20th fact, World Heritage Sites. India has 42 UNESCO World Heritage Sites ranging from ancient caves and temples to railways and natural reserves, showcasing its vast cultural and natural legacy. Thank you for watching. Meet you in the next video.